Did you know that words can be like superpowers? Just like a superhero can fly or lift heavy objects, words can have a powerful impact on our lives. They can guide us, inspire us, and even protect us. Imagine having a word that can make people sit up and take notice, a word that can change the course of your day. That's what we're talking about today. They can tell us what to do and how to do it. Words can be like a map showing us the way to go. They can be like a teacher, giving us instructions on how to complete a task. Think about the word must. It's not just any word, it's a word that carries weight and authority. When someone says you must do something, it's not a suggestion, it's a command. Must is one of those powerful words. It tells us something is really important. It's like a spotlight shining on a particular action or rule, making it clear that this is something we cannot ignore. When you hear the word must, it's as if the universe is telling you, this is crucial, pay attention. When you hear must, think of a big red button. It's like an alarm going off saying, pay attention, this is serious. Imagine you're in a room and suddenly an alarm bell rings. Everyone stops what they're doing and looks around to see what's happening. That's the kind of urgency the word must brings. It's a call to action, a signal that something needs to be done immediately. We use must for strong rules and important advice. For example, you must wear a helmet when you ride your bike. This isn't just a casual suggestion, it's a rule designed to keep you safe. Helmets protect your head in case of an accident, and wearing one can be the difference between a minor scrape and a serious injury. That's why the word must is used here. It's about your safety and well-being. That's a rule to keep you safe. Must is also used when we feel very strongly about something. It's not just about rules and regulations, it's also about our passions and desires. When you say, I must do this, you're expressing a deep personal conviction. It's something that comes from within, something that you feel is absolutely necessary. Like, I must get to the ice cream store before it closes. That's a powerful urge for a tasty treat. It's not just about the ice cream, it's about the joy and satisfaction that comes with it. When you say you must do something, you're not just talking about a want or a wish, you're talking about a need. Something that feels essential to your happiness or well-being. So the next time you hear the word must, remember its power and importance. It's a word that can guide you, protect you, and even bring you joy. Now let's talk about have to. This phrase is more than just words, it's a guiding principle in our daily lives. It shapes our actions and decisions, helping us navigate through various situations with clarity and purpose. This one is like a friendly guide, pointing us in the right direction. Imagine it as a compass that helps us find our way, ensuring we stay on the right path and make the right choices. It tells us what's expected of us. We use have to for rules and obligations. These are the non-negotiables in our lives, the things we must do to maintain order and harmony. Think of things you do every day. You have to brush your teeth. This isn't just a suggestion. It's a necessity for good health and hygiene. You have to go to school. Education is crucial, and attending school is a fundamental part of growing up and preparing for the future. These are things we do because they're part of our routine. Our daily habits and routines are built around these have-to tasks, creating a structure that helps us function efficiently. Sometimes have to is about following the rules. Like, you have to raise your hand before you speak in class. This ensures that everyone gets a chance to participate and that the class runs smoothly. It helps things run smoothly. When everyone follows the rules, it creates a harmonious environment where everyone knows what to expect and how to behave. Other times it's about getting things done. I have to finish my homework before I can play video games. It's about responsibility. Completing our tasks before enjoying leisure activities teaches us discipline and time management. Have to also extends to helping out at home. You have to help with chores, like cleaning your room or setting the table. These responsibilities teach us the importance of contributing to our household and working as a team. In the broader world, have to includes following societal rules, like traffic laws. You have to look both ways before crossing the street. These rules keep us safe and ensure that society functions smoothly. Lastly, have to can also be about making healthy choices. You have to eat your vegetables and exercise regularly. These actions are essential for maintaining our health and well-being. So remember, have to is more than just a phrase. It's a guiding principle that helps us navigate life, ensuring we fulfill our responsibilities and make the right choices. Embrace it and let it lead you towards a more organized and fulfilling life. Okay, superheroes, let's compare our two words, must and have to. They might seem similar, but there's a slight difference. Must is like a superhero's own strong belief. It comes from inside, it's about what is really important. Have to is more about following the rules or what other people expect. It's about fitting in and doing what's expected. So, must is personal and strong, while have to is about rules and expectations. Section 4. Real-life adventures with must and have to. Let's imagine a day at the amusement park. It's a bright sunny day, and the park is filled with laughter and excitement. The smell of popcorn and cotton candy fills the air, and you can hear the joyful screams of people on the rides. As you walk through the park, you see a giant roller coaster towering above everything else. It's the biggest and fastest ride in the park, and it looks both thrilling and terrifying. You feel a rush of excitement and say, "I must ride that roller coaster." This is something you really want to do, something that excites you and makes your heart race. That's your own exciting decision. Later, after all the excitement, you start feeling hungry. Your stomach growls, reminding you that it's time to eat. Your mom notices and says, "You have to eat lunch before we go on any more rides." This is a rule, something you need to do to keep your energy up and stay healthy. You sit down and eat your lunch, feeling your energy return. Now you're ready for more fun. This shows the difference between must and have to. Must is about your own desires and what you really want to do. Have to is about obligations and what is expected of you. It's important to understand this difference in everyday life. Knowing when to use must and have to can help you express yourself more clearly and understand others better. Section 5. Pop Quiz. Can you spot the difference? Ready for a quick game? Let's see if you can tell the difference between must and have to. 1. I study for my spelling test so I can get a good grade. 2. I have another slice of pizza. It's so delicious. What do you think? The first one is have to, it's about a responsibility. The second one is must, it's about a strong desire. Section 6. The Must and Have to Hall of Fame. Think of all the times you've heard must and have to. They're like the superheroes of grammar, always around to guide us. You must always try your best. That's a good rule for life. You have to clean up your toys. That's part of being responsible. Must and have to help us understand what's important and what's expected of us. Section 7. Unlocking the power of must and have to. Congratulations, word wizards. You've unlocked the power of must and have to. Remember, must is strong and personal, like a superhero's determination. Have to is about rules and expectations, like following a map. Now that you know the difference, you can use these words like a pro. So go out there and speak with confidence, knowing you've got the power of words on your side.